Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix we cannot complete your request. As you can see in the video, if I log into my account and this type of error occur, like we couldn't complete your request, please try again in a moment. Then now I will tell you how you can fix this error. For this you have to go to your settings. If you click on setting, after that you have to click on apps. After opening apps, you have to scroll down. If you scroll down, then you can easily find Instagram. After finding Instagram, you have to click on Instagram. As you can see in the video, if you click on Instagram, then you will find storage option. You have to click on clear cache and clear data, so that all the data will be clear from your Instagram app and you can open Instagram as a new face. After that you have to again open Instagram app. For this you have to go back and again open Instagram app. In this way you can log in again and hope this type of error will not occur again in your Instagram app. As you can see in the video, if I log in, then this error is not repeating on my Instagram app. If you found this error again, then there is also another option, like you can click on Instagram and you can uninstall it and you have to reinstall it so that this problem can be solved. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly share this video and subscribe our channel.